Monopolistic competitors have opportunities to affect the demand curve for their products. First, let's review the basic conditions for monopolistic competition. First, there are many companies producing similar products in the market, and there are many consumers interested in purchasing the product. Second, the consumers perceive differences other than price in the products. In other words, the products of different companies are not all interchangeable in the eyes of the consumer. This is a key difference from perfect competition. It is also easy for new companies to enter the market and begin producing similar products, and it is easy for companies to leave the market. One of the results of these conditions is that companies have a limited ability to affect the price for their product. Let's examine this situation from an economic perspective. We will start with a typical demand curve for perfect competition. In perfect competition, the demand curve for each company is perfectly elastic because the individual companies have no market power. Companies cannot affect the market price by changing their supply. For monopolistic competition, the demand curve for each company typically has a negative slope. A company in monopolistic competition can raise its price without losing all of its customers because of product differentiation. The products from other producers in the market are not perfect substitutes in the eyes of the consumers. The strategies of monopolistic competitors focus on influencing the demand curve through product differentiation. A company can make its product more desirable in the eyes of the consumer in many different ways. Physical differences, such as quality and features, are one source of product differentiation. The terms of the sale or additional services are another source. There are also non-physical differences that can influence consumer choices. Branding and advertising can be used to increase the desirability of a product in the eyes of consumers without any real differences in the product. All of these strategies can increase product differentiation, which can affect the demand curve facing the company in two ways. The increase for the company's product can increase, shifting the demand curve outward. The product differentiation can also increase the inelasticity of the demand curve, giving the company more control over price.